In this lesson, we will explore inventory control in retail and e-commerce, a vital function that ensures the right products are available at the right time, in the right quantities, and across the right channels. Effective inventory control directly impacts customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and profitability in both physical stores and online platforms. In retail, inventory control revolves around balancing product availability with cost efficiency. Stocking too little leads to lost sales and unhappy customers, while overstocking ties up capital and increases carrying costs. The challenge intensifies in e-commerce, where businesses must manage inventory across multiple sales channels, warehouses, and fulfillment centers, often with rapid delivery expectations. The foundation of effective inventory control in retail and e-commerce is accurate demand forecasting. Retailers use historical sales data, seasonal patterns, and promotional schedules to anticipate demand. Advanced analytics and AI-driven forecasting tools further improve accuracy by factoring in variables such as regional trends, weather, or social media influence. The goal is to maintain just enough stock to meet demand without overburdening storage. Omnichannel inventory management is another key principle. Customers today expect a seamless shopping experience across online and offline channels. Retailers must synchronize inventory data across all platforms so customers can see real-time stock availability, whether they are shopping online, in-store, or through mobile apps. Integrated systems allow for unified fulfillment options like buy online, pick up in-store, BOPIS, or ship from store models. Technology plays a major role in achieving this integration. Cloud-based inventory management systems, point-of-sale, POS data synchronization, and real-time tracking through RFID and barcodes ensure accuracy and visibility across all touchpoints. Automated replenishment systems can trigger restocking when inventory levels drop below preset thresholds, preventing stockouts and optimizing cash flow. E-commerce businesses also rely heavily on warehouse automation and fulfillment optimization. Robotics, smart picking systems, and automated storage solutions speed up order processing and improve inventory accuracy. For large-scale operations, distributed inventory models position stock closer to customers, reducing shipping time and cost. Inventory segmentation techniques such as ABC and demand-based classification help retailers allocate resources effectively. High-value or fast-moving items receive closer monitoring and more frequent replenishment, while slow-moving goods are managed with tighter cost controls. This targeted approach maximizes efficiency across product categories. Returns management is a unique challenge in e-commerce inventory control. High return rates can distort inventory data and increase operational costs. Efficient reverse logistics systems ensure that returned goods are inspected, restocked, or disposed of quickly, maintaining inventory integrity. Collaboration with suppliers and logistics partners is also critical. Vendor-managed inventory, VMI, and drop shipping arrangements allow retailers to reduce their inventory burden by letting suppliers handle stock replenishment or direct customer deliveries. These models improve agility and reduce risk. Performance tracking is essential for continuous improvement. Metrics such as inventory turnover, sell-through rate, fulfillment accuracy, and stockout frequency provide insights into efficiency and profitability. Advanced dashboards and analytics tools visualize these metrics, enabling faster, data-driven decision-making. In summary, inventory control in retail and e-commerce is about maintaining visibility, accuracy, and responsiveness across every channel. By leveraging technology, predictive analytics, and supply chain collaboration, businesses can ensure product availability, reduce costs, and deliver superior customer experiences. In a world where consumer expectations and market dynamics are constantly evolving, effective inventory control is the key to retail success.